Back at it with another exterior cleaning today. This customer reached out to us with concerns about organic growth on the exterior of their home. We informed the customer that we would be there at 10 a.m. and as soon as we arrived, we got right to work. I brought my father to help with this job. When I was younger, all I ever wanted to do was go to work with him, and now he gets to come to work with me. It's a great feeling, a humble feeling. We start by applying our solution, fully saturating every square foot of the exterior of the home. This all started how I said when I was younger that all I ever wanted to do was go to work with my father. And my oldest son, when he was 6, all he would ever say to me is, "I want to work with you when I get older." So I knew I had to do something, create opportunities for us and for him. More importantly, show him that you can do anything that you put your mind to. And that being said, for any of you that might be watching this, there's nothing standing in your way of reaching your goals and dreams other than yourself. So continue to dream and continue to believe in yourself. Proverbs 11:25. The generous soul will be made rich, and he who waters will also be watered himself. Once we're finished applying all of our solution to the entire exterior of the house, then comes the rinse process, and we swap guns. Happily providing exterior cleaning services to Southeast Michigan. So if you or anyone you know has exterior cleaning needs, give us a call for a free estimate. We'd be glad to help. This exterior cleaning turned out wonderful. Just have a look for yourself.